So these are how the wigs are before I wash them and before I straighten them. As you guys can see, they've got glue all over the place. They're all cranky and stuff, and you can definitely see this just needs to be thrown away. But we're not gonna throw them away. We're gonna be doing something with them, and we're gonna be reviving them, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I literally just put my wigs in like these two baskets because I had like the wigs to wash, so I put in each bucket overnight with some shampoo just so that the dirt can like basically remove the dirt. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash it again with shampoo and then just remove the glue and the rest of the product. So we're gonna start off with using a brush, and we're gonna start combing the hair out from the bottom up so we can help it detangle. Once the hair has slightly detangled, you want to take a wide tooth comb and brush it out. And one thing you'll notice is that the glue is already starting to falling off from the wig cap. So this is due to the fact that we did leave this wig in water overnight with some shampoo. So to remove the rest of the glue, I'm gonna go in with my Tresemme shampoo, and I'm gonna use a toothbrush. You can use an old toothbrush or a new one if you want, but make sure that you strictly use this for your wigs. Now I'm just gonna remove the rest of the glue by brushing in the shampoo onto the lace wig. So you wanna remove all the dirty glue, the makeup from your lace, because you wanna make sure that it's as clean as possible, and you're gonna repeat this process until you're satisfied with the results. Don't forget to use the water to rinse through as you brush out the wig glue. Now that our wig cap is all clean and sparkly, we're gonna make sure that we wash the actual hair with some shampoo. So for this step, I just used lukewarm water because I want to make sure that the rest of the glue that fell on the hair comes out, and that's why I'm busy combing the wig out. And then I also just want to make sure that it's no longer tangling. You want to make sure that your wig is now bone straight. Make sure once you're done, you clean out your basin and your brushes and your combs, because of course you want to work in a clean space. Now for the final step on this wig, I'm gonna pour in my conditioner and basically cover the whole wig with it. The next step that we're gonna do after covering our hair with conditioner is we're gonna put it in a blue plastic bag. Thereafter, we're gonna put it in the microwave so that it can get revived. So we're only gonna put it in for 3 minutes. Just got my hair out of the microwave. So when you guys take it out, please just be careful. It is really hot. So please just be careful. You would wanna use some tongs. So this is how the hair is at the moment, and now I'm gonna put in my other hair and just do it for 3 minutes as well. And then while I do the other hair, I'm gonna be rinsing this one off so we can go hang it outside. So now I'm just gonna customize it here in the front. I noticed that the lace was not really nicely customized, so what I'm gonna do is just properly customize it. But before that, I'm gonna go ahead and pour on my Tresemme organic oil and just put my hands through it. Then I'm just gonna comb it to the back. Oh my gosh, you guys, this day was so windy, but I tried my level best. So this is how the hair is after I've dried it and I've customized it. So right now it's dry, but it's not straightened, it's just customized, and I'm gonna further do some nice things to it. So this is gonna be a quick repetitive process. So what I'm gonna do is just take small parts of the hair starting from the back, and I'm gonna be straightening it and just basically doing the same process from here on. And the other cool thing that you also notice is once I've straightened their hair, you can actually see the difference between straightened hair and the other side that's still not straightened. So we want to make sure that this wig is as straight as they come. Once I've straightened my hair, I'm gonna go in the front to just make sure that the hair is laid back, and I'm gonna use my hot comb just to make sure that the hair is very flat in the front so that when I wear it, it looks laid, period. So to make sure that I get rid of the flyaways, I'm just gonna use my Got2b glue spray, which will help me lay down. Next, I'll go in with my Got2b gel glue so that I can lay my edges.